taking the route I intended to, since this area of Iowa 36 hours ago got anywhere between 6 to 12 inches of snow dumped on it. Coming off the interstate, there were a number of cars in the ditch from yesterday, still in the ditch. Even parts of the interstate was a little sketchy, but pretty good. This road seems pretty good, but looking at all the other county roads and stuff from the interstate, still well covered in snow. So not the scenic route I was going to take, but the safer route. So we'll hit a few towns, heading to Fort Dodge, and maybe probably drive around Fort Dodge a bit. City I've never been to. This is the city of Webster City, Iowa. And you can kind of see what I'm talking about if you get off the main road. These actually aren't too bad. Main Street, USA, Webster City. This is the small town of Coalville, Iowa. Coalville, Iowa. And as the day wears on, the roads are getting a little bit better. So all these posts over here have shoes and boots on them. That's different. So just south of Fort Dodge is Dollover State Park, Dollover Memorial State Park. Since I'm in the area, I'm going to check it out. One deer. So inside the state park here, this is the Des Moines River. On a January day. We're going to see this river again shortly, upstream in Fort Dodge, I believe. Oh, that beautiful winter sun. Fort Dodge, Iowa. So this is downtown Fort Dodge. They've got so much snow, they've got it in the middle of the street, I guess. Also, by this point of recording this video here, the GoPro was not sitting well on the dash, evidently, because it sounded like somebody was typing away at a typewriter. It was so loud. So I'm practicing my first ever voiceover in a video. Enjoy downtown. Always love a good roundabout, and it kind of gives you a panoramic view of part of downtown Fort Dodge. This just looked like a fun bridge to go over, but there really wasn't anything on the other side. Again, it's fun just to see any town really after you get a snowstorm, and how they have the snow pushed off and try to maneuver around mounds and mounds of snow. What a nice old clock tower. This area did have a lot of hills and valleys, it being close to the river and stuff, I guess, but very scenic. Very scenic. One of the last things I was checking out here, this is a giant grain elevator mural. You can see there's paintings on the side. If there wasn't a foot of snow, I'd walk all the way around it. It'd be very cool to check out. Well, as I cross over the Des Moines River one more time here, I think that's going to be all. And yes, I'm going to say it. It's time to get out of Dodge. Thanks for watching.